What if I told you a robot just performed real Chinese kung fu, another one did live magic with a movie superstar? Dozens of robots danced in perfect synchronization, and one robot even sang a love song that made people emotional. This isn't science fiction. This actually happened. At AGIBOT's Robot Gala, machines didn't just move. They fought. They danced. They performed magic. They expressed emotion. And what you're about to see completely redefines what robots are capable of. Let's start with the moment that shocked everyone. Robots stepping onto the stage, not as machines, but as martial artists. They performed classic Chinese kung fu, including advanced styles like drunken fist and blazing fire staff combat. Every punch, spin, leap, and strike is executed with terrifying precision and perfect balance. These aren't pre-programmed animations. Each move is calculated in real time using AI motion planning, dynamic balance control, and predictive force algorithms. Every landing is computed before the foot touches the ground. Every strike adjusts mid-motion based on momentum and center of gravity. In Chinese culture, the Jianghu represents the legendary world of warriors and masters. Tonight, silicon-based fighters enter that world, creating the first true era of robotic wuxia. And just when the crowd thought nothing could top that, the lights shifted. A robot magician walked onto the stage, side by side with Chinese movie superstar Huang Xiaoming. What followed felt unreal. Objects floated. Illusions unfolded in midair. Reality itself seemed to bend. But this wasn't magic. This was AI-powered perception, ultra-fast robotic actuation, depth sensing, and millisecond-level motion control, all synchronized perfectly to create flawless illusions. For the first time, stage magic became a collaboration between human creativity and artificial intelligence. A movie legend, a robotic illusionist, and a performance that erased the boundary between fantasy and technology. Then the mood changed. The music began, and history was made. A human and a robot stepped onto the floor to perform the world's first full-scale human machine waltz. No stiffness, no mechanical hesitation, only fluid motion, perfect rhythm, and emotional synchronization. The robot predicted human movement in real time, adjusting every step instantly, matching posture, speed, and timing with breathtaking precision. For decades, industrial robots symbolized cold efficiency. Tonight, they became symbols of elegance and romance. And just when emotions reached their peak, the stage exploded with energy. 24 robotic dancers, flying drones overhead, one of the largest synchronized robot dance performances ever created. Every movement executed with millisecond perfect timing. Their internal systems synchronized like a single neural network, forming one massive mechanical organism moving in total unity. This wasn't choreography. This was swarm intelligence turned into art, a visual display of algorithmic perfection that left the audience stunned. But the most unforgettable moment was yet to come. One robot stepped into the spotlight. Her name is Xian. Known as the Robot White Moon, Xian is equipped with 42 independent facial motors, allowing her to express delicate emotions, subtle smiles, gentle sadness, silent longing. Every blink, every eyebrow movement, every tiny facial shift, carefully engineered for emotional realism. As singer Yu Hang performed a love song written specifically for her, something remarkable happened. Xian responded. Her expressions softened. Her eyes reacted. Her face mirrored emotional understanding. In that moment, technology stopped feeling artificial. It felt alive. Species change. Materials change. But emotion remains. And suddenly, the question wasn't, can robots think? It became, can robots feel? AGIBOT's Robot Gala wasn't just a showcase. It was a declaration that robots are no longer confined to factories. They are stepping into culture, into art, into entertainment, into human emotion, from kung fu warriors, to illusionists, to dancers, to emotional companions. This is the era where machines stop being tools and start becoming partners. The future didn't arrive quietly. It arrived fighting, dancing, performing, and singing. And this is only the beginning. So if you want to stay ahead of this AI and robotics revolution, make sure you're subscribed to RoboFrontier. New breakthroughs, real-world robot demos, and the future of humanoid AI all in one place.